Alright, I'm gonna get a video of a cold start. This is as cold of a morning as I could find before I planned to auction the vehicle. It's about 58 degrees. I live in South Mississippi, so we don't get a lot of opportunities for super cold weather this time of year, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab a start video and then demo the features on the vehicle as well. Go around to the rear and get the hood as well. As you can see, that hood strut is still really good. I think it's been replaced. It wasn't something that I did. Engine iron was nice and smooth. The belt is in good condition. And I do know that water pump also has been replaced. That'll be on the service records through the Carfax. But we'll go ahead and get on with the features.